Hi friends, my name is Srinivas Rao. I'm working as a team lead. Now we are discussing about the .NET technologies list. The mainly .NET technologies list having a .NET runtime. Second one is .NET SDKs. Third one is Cylon compiler platform and IDE tools. The fourth one is .NET Code Analyzer, and fifth one is FHASH compiler and IDE tools. Sixth one is Informs. For seventh one is WFF PF Window Presentation Foundation forms. Today we can elaborate the .NET runtime. What is .NET runtime? It's a what is .NET runtime? .NET runtime is a C common language runtime. Common language runtime means we have for common language runtime we have various type of techniques is there. One there are common CTS, and the second one is CLS. What is CTS and what is CLS? Second, third, what is CTS and what is CLS? CTS is nothing but a common type system, and CLS is nothing but a common language specification. What is meant by common type system? Common type system means suppose whenever writing the C Sharp .NET code, where we have different languages there: C Sharp, Visual Basic .NET, VJS, VC++. Like we have different languages there. In each language, we can declare the data types like integer, string, numeric, double, date time functions, number functions, decimal functions. Those things we know. Decimal is nothing but 0.00, integer nothing but 1 2 3 points, string nothing but containing some characters, variables contain single values, we single digits means single alphabets, character is nothing but we know that thing. Character nothing can allow any kind of things, but we know that thing. But how you know the system? uh, uh, we need to compile this language into the user manageable language user manageable type, manageable code type. Those different type data types declarations, those things can be converted to the system management intermediate language type. That will be helpable by the CTS only, common type system only. And the second one is a common language specification. What is meant by common language specification? Common language specification containing we can I told you we have run the .NET applications into different languages. So first one is VJS, second was C Sharp, VB.NET, VJS, VC++. Whatever language you have run the application, written the code, those things will be can be those languages will be intermediately converted into the system understandable languages. That thing will be taken care by the common language system only. And another one is we have .NET framework things is also there. What is meant by .NET framework? .NET framework containing the collection of classes, collection of libraries, collection of assemblies, all are coming under the .NET frameworks. What is meant by library? What is meant by assembly? What is meant by namespaces? Suppose assembly is nothing but we have run the application into the different class libraries. That class library files will be converted to the DLL language. One single DLL that is containing, that is nothing but by assemblies. What is meant by namespace? You whenever running the users whenever running the .NET application, we can import the some files. We have like if we can work with C sharp, we need to run the using system dot using statement, using system dot web dot like that. Second using system dot web dot like that. If you can work with um, uh, uh, if you can work with VB.NET, just we need to work, we can run with import statement. Import particular class library, that is the namespace. If you can import the particular things, we can use the under the object names property values, we can inherit from the particular namespaces. These are the .NET framework. Suppose if you can run the .NET framework can do the cross-platform operating systems can be supported through .NET framework. and we can run the application. .NET Framework really has been support the web services, web applications, Windows applications, mobile applications. So they have different type of iOS applications also coming supported by the .NET Framework libraries. And one more thing we have now we have discussed today what is meant by IL and what is meant by MSIL. IL is nothing but intermediate language. Earlier I told you CLS can be supported by the user system understandable languages. Those languages will be can be that those languages will be good can be understood by the user system. That is well the IL language. Second one is MSIL, Microsoft Intermediate Language. It means it is system understandable language. It is managed code language. What is meant by managed code? It is a system understandable languages. Those things will be taken care by the MSIL. These are the .NET runtime things. Tomorrow, next class, I will upload the .NET SDK things. Thank you.